Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to swap Matic to USDT in Metamask. So to get started with a quick guide and a straightforward analysis on how to swap Matic to USDT. So the first thing to do is to open your Metamask, then make sure you are connected to Polygon mainnet. Then from there, select swap. Then you will find the button directly on the Metamask homepage. Then from there, you have to select the pair. So you have to select Matic, which is from, then to, which is your USDT, which is the swap. So you are swapping from now Matic to USDT. Then after that, you have to enter the amount you want to swap. So from there, you have to click on review swap. So Metamask will show you the conversion rate, the network fee, and the spillage. So once that is confirmed and you are done with the review, then confirm. So click save or click swap once you are comfortable with your Matic. So from there, your Matic will be exchanged for USDT directly into your Metamask wallet. And here's a quick tip for that. Always check the network first, because you should be Polygon mainnet, not the ETH, which is the inferior. Then watch for spillage and network fee. Swapping during peak condition may be more expensive. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.